Hello friends, in this topic we are going to learn the block diagram and the importance of optical fiber communication, which is important part of this chapter. So the question regarding optical fiber communication is expected every time in university exams, and the question is like, draw the block diagram of optical fiber communication system and explain the function of each part. So the answer is, the block diagram of optical fiber communication is as shown. The input signal is given to drive circuit, and drive circuit sends it to light source fed it to optical fiber, then optical fiber continues that signal and propagated through the optical fiber cable and reach to photodetector. Then from photodetector, digital to analog conversion is there by using digital to analog converter, and the signal is restored by signal restorer and given to the output or end user of the system. So the first part arises here is drive circuit. So the signal is inputted in this block, which is an analog to digital converter. So analog signal or the information signal will be converted into digital type of signal. It converts the analog input wave into series of digital pulses. Then second part is light source. The above digital signal then passes into light source, which may be laser, and it converts electronic digital pulse into equivalent light pulse. Then they are also called optical oscillators. The light sources must meet the following requirement to act as a signal emitter in fiber optics. The light emitted must be monochromatic, having single wavelength. It must be intense enough for transmission through longer lengths of fiber so that it can travel through larger distance. The third requirement is light source must be capable of being easily modulated. The fourth requirement is light sources must be small and compact so that their output can be easily and effectively coupled to fibers, because fibers are having small core diameter. And the fifth requirement is they must be durable and cheap so that they will be cost effective. LED and semiconductor laser diodes satisfy all the requirements, and therefore they are popularly used for optical fiber communication. The third thing is optical fiber itself. Now the light pulses are now fed to optical fiber to have an efficient transmission through the fiber, and proper frequency is selected to lie in optical window region of the fiber. The photodetector, after traveling a long path through the optical fiber cable, the photodetector is present at the output end of the fiber, and a detector picks up the light pulses and translate them back to the digital pulses, because there was a conversion of digital pulses into light. Now the light pulses should be converted into digital signal, and then digital to analog converter is used. It converts digital signal back to analog and amplifies it so that the signal restorer can restore a suitable transducer used to convert the output into an audio or video form or whatever is the input format. So this is all about optical fiber communication system we have learned. Please remember this block diagram. It's simple, it is in the form of block only, but you have to remember the sequence. The first is drive circuit, second is a light source, third is optical fiber after that. And it is very simple to learn, as obviously you need the drive circuit to get the signal. And then that signal should be sent to light source so that it can be converted into light pulses, and then light pulses will be fed to optical fiber. So after traveling through optical fiber, there should be a light detector, which can be said photodetector, but it is in the form of photons, so we have to convert it. Means light should be converted into analog signal, and then you have to amplify here, and signal will be restored and given to the output. So this is all about optical fiber communication system. Thank you.